Hey there, we're going to look at a little problem with high lift jacks. It's pretty much kind of on the setup. So if you're having an issue where it won't go back down or retract or slide down whenever you move the lever, chances are this pin is improperly installed. As you see here, this top pin needs to go cover this and this. Sometimes if you have it slipped or it is moved too far and it goes to that position, when you take it out of that position, it twists the pin, and now this doesn't slide out like it should. So you won't be able to reverse it, it won't go back down. It's all about getting that pin to cover both those bars. To repair this, simply make sure you're in that upper lock position, and then just simply drive the pin back across. Now that the pin is covering this side and this side, this part will kick out on the pin and allow it to reverse. Now this pin is sticking out, now it can go into reverse. So if you have that issue, chances are that pin is improperly installed. Have a good one.